Welcome to Stuff We Love. This is Mike with Family Handyman, and I've got 3 painting products for you that we love, and I know you will too, so let's check them out. Here we have the Worcester Sherlock extension pole for rolling on paint. Now it's for the professional and the DIYer who just needs a few extra feet and doesn't want to get up and down a ladder to paint a room. Now this is the 2 to 4 foot extension range, and I think it's just the right amount of extension for painting a normal size room. You don't have that extra 4 feet dragging around behind you, but it's long enough to reach the top of the walls and to do your ceiling. Now it's made out of really sturdy material. The outer pole right here is a lightweight fiberglass, and the inner pole here is a lightweight aluminum. The inner pole is also hexagonal shaped so that it doesn't twist while you're trying to use it, and it's got these really nice locking points so you can adjust the length every 6 inches. Now all you gotta do is screw on your roller and you are good to go. You can find these for 20 bucks online and at home centers, and that is again the Worcester Sherlock extension pole. Here we have the Roller Ready Paint Roller Cleaner. Now it's for anyone who cringes at cleaning out their rollers after a small job, but also hates to throw them away. Now this device will make that job quicker, easier, and less messy. We've got 2 versions here, a plastic version and a cast aluminum version. They both work pretty much the same way, and they do a really good job at cleaning out your rollers. These are very easy to use. All you have to do is, with one of your drills, chuck up the Roller Ready, slide on your paint covered roller, spin the excess paint out in an empty bucket, spend 15 to 60 seconds in a rinse water bucket, and then go back in the empty bucket and spin out the water. You'll have a dry roller ready to paint with again in a matter of minutes. Super easy. The plastic version runs $18 and the aluminum version runs $30. You can find them online, and that is the Roller Ready Paint Roller Cleaner. Here we have metal paint rolling grids. Now it's a great tool for anyone who hates using the regular old paint trays, and it will eliminate an entire step out of your painting process. Instead of lifting up that big heavy 5-gallon bucket of paint and trying to pour it into your paint tray, all you have to do is drop one of these into the bucket, leave the paint there, and you're ready to go. They come in 5, 2, and 1-gallon sizes, and they're really easy to use. All you have to do is take your gallon or bucket of paint, drop one of the screens into the bucket, use your roller, dip the roller into paint, remove the excess paint, and the paint's on the wall. Another great reason to love these grids is that they distribute the paint on the roller much better without completely removing the paint. Also, after your first coat of paint, before you have to clean anything up, all you have to do is drop the grid back in the bucket, leave the paint, leave the grid in there, put the lid on the bucket, and it's ready for you for your second coat. Now these are really cheap. The 5-gallon runs at $3.50, the 2-gallon runs at $3, and the 1-gallon runs at $2.50. You can find them anywhere, hardware stores, home centers, and online. Again, these are metal paint rolling grids. There you have it. 3 painting products that you should check out before your next painting job. We at Family Handyman love them, and we know that you will too. Check us out again next time on Stuff We Love.